received with sadness the news of the untimely death of your dear wife, Gladys Aliinza. I extend on behalf of government, on behalf of the NRM party, and on my own behalf, condolences to Haji Faruk Kirunda upon the death of your dear wife. I commiserate with the family for losing a mother. At this dark hour, my thoughts are with the family and the entire people of Busoga.
Nendo kusima office ya president awalala ni State House timutukoze bulungi no mwebala okwita mu bungi ne mubaawo kulwa family fraternity ya presidency ate era kulwa Kiruda Faruk tusimye ino mwebalire irana
onali wano Gladys mukyala awumwire tuli basaba onakola leero isira tekwani Gladys omwana ono mweta mwana abala yenda ino kwa chabasi akoze emirimu mingi Busoga ezira mukolo kwa tababu
nenda okwebaza bakwinwe bange abandi mwanize lwaki ndikuzikana okwata omukazi twamukuwa jani mukyala wo muzikana kwanti be Gladys ono abantu beruka bamwenda ino jano nalwiso Gladys ono kinze namukuba okwesimbawo eruuka era bwe yesimbawo namulobera okwesimbawo n'omulundi guno ogwokubiri Gladys ono yansaba ssente ng'aliko nti ali kujja akola business tayenda kujja mu politics n'amuwa ssente ajje mu business yaleeka ssente mu business n'ajja okulira ng'alikola campaign eruuka era Professor Lubega ali wano Professor